children, welcome back with your YouTube English classroom. Today we are going to learn the third lesson of Unit 3, Where's Everything? So get ready with your Grade 6 Pupils book, Grade 6 workbook and your writing book. Well, I think you are ready. So let's start our lesson. Children, can you remember our previous lesson? In that lesson, we learned about the prepositions. We talked about in, on, near, under and between prepositions. So, today we are going to make sentences using these prepositions. දුවේ පුතේ අපි කලින් පාඩමේදී මේ prepositions ඉගෙන ගත්තා. ඉතින් අද පාඩමේදී අපි මේ prepositions භාවිත කරමින් අලුතෙන් වාක්‍ය නිර්මාණය කරන්න තමයි මේ සූදානම් වෙන්නේ. ඉතින් අද පාඩමේදී අපි workbook activity දෙකක් වගේම pupils book activity එකකුත් කරන්න බලාපොරොත්තු වෙනවා. So children, now let's go to our first activity. So that, take your pupils book and turn to page number 24. We are going to do activity 4. Here it is. Activity 4. Write complete sentences. සම්පූර්ණ වාක්‍ය ලියන්න. Children, look at the given example for the picture A. දුවේ පුතේ බලන්න අපිට picture A සඳහා example sentence එකක් දීලා තියෙනවා. Read it with me. The television is between the dog and the cat. Read it again, please. The television is between the dog and the cat. රූපවාහිනිය බල්ලා සහ පූසා මැදයේ තියෙනවා. ඉතින් මෙතනදී between කියන preposition එක භාවිත කරලා complete sentence එකක් ලියලා තියෙනවා. මේ විදිහට එක එක පින්තූරය සම්බන්ධයෙන් ඔයාලට වාක්‍ය නිර්මාණය කරන්න පුළුවන්. එහෙනම් මේ එක එක පින්තූර සඳහා එක වාක්‍යයක් වෙන් නිර්මාණය කරලා දැන් වීඩියෝ එක play කරන්න. Okay children, now I think you got a clear idea about what you have to do. Write them in your writing book. After you write all the answers, you can resume the video to check them. Have you all finished? Okay, let's check your answers. A sentence for the first question is given like this. Children, that was, the television is between the dog and the cat. Okay children, now look at the second picture. There, as you can see, a dog is on the chair. So children, the sentence that we can make using this picture is the dog is on the chair. The dog is on the chair. Now look at the picture C. Using this picture, we can make two sentences. If we write about the cat, we can write a sentence like this. The cat is on the drawers. The cat is on the drawers. If not, we can write this sentence too. The dog is near the drawers. The dog is near the drawers. Okay, now look at the next picture, picture D. The correct sentence is, the cat is in the cupboard. The cat is in the cupboard. Picture E. The book rack is between the two cats. The book rack is between the two cats. Picture F. The dog is on the pillow. The dog is on the pillow. T. The cat is on the table. The cat is on the table. Okay, children, this is how you have to make sentences for activity 4. Now, let's do some workbook activities. So that, take your workbook and turn to page number 19. Now, we are going to do activity 4. Here it is. Activity 4. Read the question with me. Look at the picture. Tell your friend at least 3 sentences describing the picture. Write them in your exercise book. Okay, children, now look at the question once again. Look at the picture. පින්තූරය දෙස බලන්න. Tell your friend ඔයාගේ යාළුවාට කියන්න at least 3 sentences. අඩුම තරමේ වාක්‍ය 3ක්. Describing the picture. පින්තූරය විස්තර කරමින්. Write them in your exercise book. ඒවා ඔයාගේ ලියන පොතේ ලියන්න කියලාත් කියනවා. ඉතින් දුවේ පුතේ අපිට මෙම පින්තූරය දෙහා බලාගෙන වාක්‍ය කිහිපයක් නිර්මාණය කරන්න පුළුවන්. එහිදී ඔයාලා අපි කලින් ඇක්ටිවිටි එකේදී ලිව්වා වගේම ඒ විදිහේ සෙන්ටෙන්ස් පැටර්න්ම පාවිච්චි කරන්න. එහෙනම් දුවේ පුතේ සරලව මේ පින්තූරය විස්තර කරමින් ඔයාලා වාක්‍ය කිහිපයක් නිර්මාණය කරලා ඉන්පසුව වීඩියෝ එක ප්ලේ කරන්න. Okay, children, now you can write down less than 3 sentences about this picture in your exercise book. After you write those sentences, you can resume the video to check your answers. Well, I think you have written your answers, so let's check them. දුවේ පුතේ බලන්න මෙන්න මේ වාක්‍ය වලින් කිහිපයක් ඔයත් ලියලා තියනවද කියලා. The boy is on the chair. The cat is under the chair. The books are on the table. The flowers are in the vase. The dog is near the table. The vase is on the table. ඉතින් මේ වගේ වාක්‍ය කිහිපයක් ඔයාලත් ලියලා තියෙනවා නම් ඔයාලගේ පිළිතුරුත් නිවැරදි වෙන්න පුළුවන්. හොඳයි දුවේ පුතේ එහෙනම් අපි තවත් එක් workbook activity එකක් කරමු. Children, let's do another workbook activity. So, turn to page number 19. We are going to do activity 5 now. Here it is. Activity 5. Look at the picture and write sentences using the words given in the 2 boxes. දුවේ පුතේ මෙතනදී අපිට මේ දීලා තියෙන වචනත් භාවිත කරමින් දීලා තියෙන පින්තූරය ගැන වාක්‍ය නිර්මාණය කරන්න කියලා කියනවා. So now look at the given words. They are books, flowers, teacher, ball, calendar, dina darshanaya, broom, kossa, timetable, kala satahana, cleaning chart, පිරිසිදු කිරීමේ ලේඛනය, duster. And also children, they have given us some prepositions too. They are in, on, near and between. So using these words and the prepositions, we have to describe this picture. Well, I think you have written your answers, so let's check them. Well, children, now I'm going to give you some example answers. ඔයාලා බලන්න මේ answers ඔයාලත් ලියලා තියෙනවද කියලා. Well, children, those sentences are: the teacher is near the blackboard. She is sitting on the teacher's chair. Some books are on the teacher's table. The duster is on the teacher's table. The vase is on the teacher's table. The flowers are in the vase. And also, the students are on their chairs. The boy is between the two girls. A ball is under a desk. A book is kept on a desk. The broom is near the cupboard. The calendar is on the wall. The timetable is on the wall. The cleaning chart is between the calendar and the timetable. ඉතින් දුවේ පුතේ ඔයාලා බලන්න මේ වාක්‍ය අතරින් ඔයාලත් නිවැරදි වාක්‍ය ලියලා තියෙනවද කියලා. Okay children, this is the last activity I hope to do in this lesson. So let me give you another homework activity before ending today's work. Children, this is your homework activity. Make 5 sentences about what you can see in the kitchen at your home. Use prepositions in, on, near, under and between. ඔයා ගෙදර කුස්සියේ තියෙන දේවල් ගැන මේ prepositions භාවිත කරමින් වාක්‍ය 5ක් නිර්මාණය කරන්න. Okay children, you can write down your answers in your writing book and also you can put them in the comment section of this video. So today in this lesson, we practice making sentences using those prepositions we learned in the previous lesson. Well, I think you actually participated this lesson. Let me know in the comments below. Well, I think you learned something new in this lesson. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And also don't forget to comment on your ideas. Thank you for coming to this lesson. Let's make new sentences using a different pattern next day. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Goodbye children. I am Sanduni teacher.